Yo, what's up, guys? I'm kind of tired already, but I still wanted to make this tutorial for you. Today, I have something exciting to show you. Um, it's my GitHub repository. You can go there, GitHub, snakey snake, and there you have it, Formify.js. It's the easy way to asynchronous JavaScript calls, and I call it a very small, a small helper file. I cannot call it a library, as it's really just a very small file. Uh, if you compress it, this is all of the code. If you compress it, it's probably less than a kilobyte. Like this, it's 2.2. I haven't tried yet, but I'm sure you can get it under 1 kilobyte, and it's very easy to adjust according to your needs. So what is Formify? Formify helps you in case you have ever tried to write a website which has a form inside of it. You will have stumbled across this text input, number input, whatever it is, and then you send it. And yeah, um, if you want to do that using JavaScript, it's quite easy. Like currently, what happens is you press the button and the default browser behavior for the form, as you can see, this is a form. And I have to, yeah, if you're watching this, I hope you know a bit about HTML and requests and how browser works. So basically, what is it for? You can send forms using JavaScript instead of um, using relying on the default browser behavior. And I've looked it up on YouTube and on other resources. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to implement sending sending a form through JavaScript instead of the default behavior that browsers offer to you. Why would you want to send it using JavaScript? Because the default browser behavior always redirects you to the site which you specify. In this case, we send it through this. This means we send this form to response.php, and the default browser behavior, it's able to send it, but it will also go to that URL. And this is, sometimes it's good, but it's not always good. And sometimes you just want to stay on the page that you were on before, and without having the user go to a new page. For example, if you are in a checkout situation, you don't want the page to reload, as this could maybe upset the user a slight bit, so you might end up losing him. I mean, there are many reasons why you would want to use JavaScript, and that's why I created it. So let me show you how it works. So as I've shown to you, this is the form, and all you have to do is add the script Formify.js to any form you're using. At the moment, it's only working with post and all of the other requests that have a body. Not all requests have a body. The get request, for example, it does not have a body. But if you use post, it will work. So I'm gonna show you with post, and I'm still working on it. So when you see this, it might already work with get. So all you have to do is formify blah. Yeah, honestly, you don't have to type on, but if you have Formify on, it will work. And then, instead of the default browser behavior, which I've just shown to you, if you reload the page, now we have Formify is on. We send Formify 777, press the button, and I want to show you a network that something is happening. As you can see, the page did not reload, and still we see that the response.php file has received our two inputs. Number one, Formify, number two, 777. Yeah, honestly, that's about it. For anyone that tries to use their form with JavaScript, I think this is the easiest way. I'll link the GitHub repository in the description if you want to work on it. Feel free to add whatever you want to add, open up a new issue, work on a opened one. It's open source, you can use it for anything you like, under the MIT license, which just means you can use it wherever you want to. I always appreciate if any one of you uses this. Please let me know, write a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I'm gonna sleep now. Or maybe I'll make another video. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, 5.5 minutes of this. Yeah.